How to build an AI sales funnel to sell your school course on Autopilot step by step. What's up, everyone? My name is James Jernigan, and in this short video, I'm going to show you the exact steps that you can follow to set up an AI system that will sell your school course on Autopilot. If you're late to the party, Skool is one of the fastest growing online course platforms that allows creators to monetize their audience and make money selling what they know. And what I want to show you in this video is how to set up a simple AI system that's going to virtually sell your course while you sleep. So I've got the exact steps that you can follow right here. But before we go any further, comment Skool AI on this video right now if you're ready to let AI make money for you. That's essentially what I want to show you here, the exact steps that you can follow to set up this AI system. So real quick, if you want this all done for you in the next 2 weeks, then head to profitpassively.com/school and I'll do everything that I'm going to show you here for you. But for the do-it-yourselfers out there, these are the steps. Step 1 is to obviously build your school course, right? You can't sell it if you don't build it. So step 1, go ahead and build your school course. Step 2 is to set up your opt-in and sales pages on a catchy domain. So before we get too deep into the steps, let me actually just show you what all of this looks like. So here is a diagram of the basic AI sales funnel that I use to sell my school course, and it's the same funnel that I've used to sell all of my previous courses before joining the Skool platform. So I get traffic from social media, so that's what I have here, Facebook and Instagram. I also use YouTube, TikTok. You can run ads for this. This first step doesn't matter. This is just where the traffic comes from. So what I do is I automate my Facebook and my Instagram pages to have an auto reply, which means anytime somebody comments on one of my posts or sends my page a message, they get an auto response. And what that auto response does is encourage them to come to my opt-in page. So an opt-in page is something really simple. It's something where somebody can enter their email address to get more information. So as soon as somebody puts their email in this box, they're directed over to the sales page, which ultimately leads them to sign up for my course, and I make money. Now, what happens is a lot of people come through this process, they see your social media posts, they get the auto response, they come to the opt-in page, and when they see your sales page, they bounce. But that's the beauty of this AI system. We can use a system of AI generated emails to go out on a daily basis and bring people back to this sales page. So in essence, what we are doing here, if we set up a 30-day sales sequence, we've effectively 30x'd our chance of making a sale on this course, because instead of somebody seeing it one time, they're now seeing it up to 30 times, and we can make that happen really quickly using AI generated content. So if we come back and we look at the steps here, that's step 2, set up your opt-in and sales pages. So again, just to reiterate, you're going to have an opt-in page, which is really simple. Someone can enter their email, and then you're going to have a page with more information. That's the sales page. But you want them to opt in first. That way you can have the automated emails go out. Because if you give them all of the information on the sales page up front without capturing their email, and then again they bounce, well, now that person is gone forever. So that's why the opt-in page here is so important. And looking at the steps, that's step 2, set up your opt-in and sales pages on a catchy domain. Now this is important, right? My website is profitpassively.com for obvious reasons. It's easy to remember. It tells you exactly what you're going to get when you get there, right? Passive income, so profitpassively.com. So you're going to want to choose a catchy domain, and that's where you're going to put your opt-in and sales pages. So the next step is to then create your automated email sequence, again, to 30x your chance of making a sale. So again, we can do this using AI content. We can use ChatGPT to write 30 sales emails in less than 5 minutes. Super simple. And then we can actually go in and tweak those if you want to make them sound more human. But again, doesn't take much time at all. So that's step 3, create an automated email sequence. Step 4, and we're just working backwards here through the diagram I showed you. Step 4 is to automate your social media pages with chatbots. And again, the reason we're working backwards is because if you do all this stuff in reverse, if you automate your social media pages before you have an opt-in page, then you have nowhere to send somebody, right? If you haven't built your course, then I don't even know what you're doing watching this video. But regardless, we're working our way in reverse order. So step 4 is to automate your social media pages with chatbots again, and the purpose for this is so that you don't have to sit around on social media all day answering comments, messaging people, sending them your link, right? That gets repetitive. You, especially when you start getting more and more traffic, you're going to be doing this over and over and over, dozens of times per day, or perhaps hundreds of times per day. So you don't want to be doing that, and that's why we are going to, again, automate our social media pages with chatbots. So in the last step, step 5, is to send everyone to an opt-in page and relax while AI sells your course for you. So like I said, if you want all of this done for you in the next 2 weeks, you can just head to profitpassively.com/school. Now I'd recommend you do that sooner rather than later, because I do limit this offer to 3 people per month. Obviously, there's only so much I can do on my own, but here's my challenge for you. Take the course creator, actually the course seller challenge, and let AI sell your course for you. So what this is a complete done for you setup. All you need to do is record your videos, right? So if you've tried to sell a course in the past, if you've already created the videos for your course, this is the perfect offer for you, because I'm going to do the rest. Here's what's included. Before we even get started, you're going to have an onboarding call that's 15 to 30 minutes, scheduled at your convenience. Basically, we just hop on the phone and say, hey, what are you selling? Who do you want to sell it to? How much does it cost? That type of thing, so I can get a feel for what you're doing. Then I'm going to actually go into your Skool account and just set up your entire course. So that's up to 15 videos. You just give me the link to your videos. I will arrange it into an actual course for you, and then I'm going to go ahead and choose a catchy domain name for you. Now if you have one that you want to use, you can obviously pick, but I have a lot of experience doing this, so you might just want to let me do it. It's up to you. But anyways, then I'm going to go ahead and create your opt-in page so we can start collecting emails. Then I'm going to create your course pitch, or in other words, your sales page, which will then redirect to join your Skool community. Then I'm going to set up your 30-day automated email sequence. Now this is written for you. Of course, I'm going to use AI to get the basic idea, and then I'm going to go through and fine tweak it with make it sound a little more human and make sure everything is up to snuff. Then I'm going to set up your Facebook and Instagram chatbot, again, so that you don't have to spend all day on social media. All you have to worry about is posting your content, and then anybody who interacts with it in any way is going to get a message saying, hey, come opt into my page and join my course. So in other words, this is your complete funnel setup for you. And then on top of that, here's what you're going to get each month going forward. 24/7 email automation. You're going to get 24/7 chatbot automation, and you are going to get a monthly growth consultation call. So that's a 60-minute call once a month where we'll check in and we'll see how your funnel is working, if anything needs to be tweaked or that kind of thing. So then you also get a funnel update and optimization once per month. So if you don't have anything you want me to change, I will just take a look and tweak what needs to be tweaked. If you reach out and you say, hey, can we change this email or that email, or can you change the landing page text, whatever we need to do, once a month I will go in and fix anything you need fixed, whatever it is. And then on top of that, I'm going to include a monthly press release to mainstream media, and this is based on your keywords. So whatever niche you're in, whatever topic your course is about, I'm going to actually send out press releases to major websites and news websites to get your course featured on those websites. And then of course you can say as seen on Fox News or whatever website you want to promote there. And then just as a bonus, I will also include done for you YouTube CTR manipulation. Now if you don't know what that means, that's okay. Basically this is just a cheat code to rank your video on page 1. So obviously there's a caveat. You must actually have a YouTube promo video for this extra service to work, right? If you don't have a YouTube video, then I can't promote your YouTube video. But if you already have a YouTube video, which I'm assuming most course creators, if you've taken the time to make videos for your course, you've probably also taken the time to promote it on YouTube. So what I can do is help get your YouTube video to the front page of search results, and that's all included in this done for you course challenge. So to wrap up the video here, there's a few frequently asked questions that people have about this offer. The first one is, how does this work? It's really simple. Just submit your payment to reserve your spot and then schedule your onboarding call. We'll have a quick chat to determine your objectives and target audience, and then I'll get to work building your course. So how long will it take? This takes 2 weeks. Turnaround for a complete course funnel build is 14 days after your consultation call. Now, your course will likely be ready sooner, but I want to do the best job possible, so I just ask that you don't rush me and just wait the 2 weeks if you haven't got your course sooner than that. So, do I need to have videos already recorded? That should be pretty obvious, but in case it's not, yes. How could I possibly create a course for you if you don't have any course content? Just to be clear, this is an offer to arrange your existing content into an automated course that basically sells itself. This offer does not include any video production or editing. So, can I choose my own domain name? I already covered that. Yes, you can, but you don't have to. I'd be happy to do it for you. Either way, we'll discuss that during your onboarding call. So, do I need a paid Skool account? Yes, this offer is exclusively for courses hosted on the Skool platform, which means you will need a Skool account. Now, with that said, Skool only costs $97 per month, so if you aren't expecting to make way more than that with your course, then this offer is definitely not for you. So, are there any additional fees or expenses? Nope, that's it. Your subscription to this service covers everything involved with automating your course sales, including hosting fees and messaging fees. So obviously this does not include your Skool subscription. I'm not associated with the Skool website in any way other than I host my course there. Can I make changes to this after it's set up? Like I said before, this is a 100% done for you service, which means there's no need for you to log in or do any work yourself. This offer includes one monthly update and optimization, so if you need anything changed, just let me know, and once a month I will take care of it. So the last question, what if this doesn't work? Well, to be honest with you, that's not possible. Your automated funnel will be 100% working within 2 weeks of our consultation, and then it's going to continue running on autopilot 24/7 indefinitely. So if for some reason you decide to stop selling your course or you want to go back to doing things manually, then you can cancel anytime by clicking a button. It's that simple. So with that said, if you just want this all done for you, head to profitpassively.com/Skool. Remember, I limit this to 3 people a month, so if you're on the fence, you want to take action soon. Otherwise, you might have to wait until next month for this. Other than that, if you enjoyed this video and you want to see more content like this, be sure to click the red subscribe button down below so that you'll see more of my content in the future. If you want to see it right away, be sure to click the little bell icon. That way you get notifications on your phone each and every time I upload a new video. And other than that, I hope you make a ton of money online, and I can't wait to see you in the next AI money making video.